USB drives, TF cards, and SD cards, you just need a way to read them all. So, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Lano 4-in-1 Smart Card Reader. That's right, this is a USB-A or B or USB-C card reader that lets you do SD cards, TF cards, and more. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're taking a look at the Lano high-speed card reader right here. This is a 4-in-1 card reader, but it does 3 different types of cards, USB, Type-C also right here. Packaging looks really nice, fantastic, great. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is the 4-in-1 card reader user manual right here. It's just going to give you all the information you need to get everything set up. It comes in multiple different languages, so nothing to fear, you are covered. Explaining the inputs and output types and everything, so super important. Next up, we've got this awesome cable right here. This is a USB-C to USB-A, but if you look, you can pull that off and you get another USB-C. So that means this card reader is USB-C or USB-A compatible, which is super cool because so many of these devices are going C to C right now, and not all the new devices like laptops and computers have the C port. So, super cool. And the reason you're here, the Lano 4-in-1 card reader. Wow, look at this thing. It's got ventilation right here to protect you from overheating. The housing feels really nice. Here's our USB-C port, and like I said, you can do C to A or C to C. And right here, this looks really nice. But what we see here on the side is the different types of cards we can put in there. So, super cool. Notice, like down here at the bottom, it looks like we've got some different types of options. These right here being for mostly like old school DSLRs and stuff. So this thing is awesome. Look at the side here. We've got this little additional cable right here so we can plug into monitors and other devices. We've got micro SD and SD. Wow. Well guys, let's go ahead and try it out. This is the Lano CFexpress Type A/B card reader. 4-in-1 smart card readers designed for CFexpress Type A, CFexpress Type B, USB-C 4.0, UHS-II, SD, SDHC, SDXC, and micro SD/TF memory cards. Covering storage media such as cameras, mirrorless cameras, drones, and surveillance equipment, and it is portable and easy to use. Transfer files in seconds. USB Type-C supports 10 gigabytes of high-speed transmission rates and features RGB lighting effects. Built-in auxiliary power supply ensures more stable memory card reader transmission. Do keep in mind though, the Type B cards require a peak current of 1.5 amps during high-speed read-write operations, exceeding the 0.9 amp power limit of standard USB interfaces. Auxiliary power is required for stable CFXB card operation. Maximum read capacity. The micro SD card reader supports maximum read capacity of up to 2 terabytes, eliminating the need for frequent memory card replacements, and is suitable for professional photographers. Triple layer data protection. The Lano card reader, built-in fused resistors, safety circuits, and high-quality chips provide triple layered protection for memory card data integrity, effectively preventing short circuits and data loss, ensuring safer data export. And with universal compatibility, this CF card reader uses a composite shell of aluminium alloy, and ABS, making it sturdy and durable. Dual cooling architecture designed for rapid heat dissipation, and it's a plug and play. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, iPad OS, and Android. And their customer support is amazing. They offer detailed setup videos, FAQs, and comprehensive 24-month protection plans, unlimited support, and personalized help. I've got to say, Lano, this thing definitely makes people's lives easier, and it's just really cool. So Lano, great job. As you know, we've worked with Lano in the past, and originally we worked with their HDMI transmitter receiver, but this is our first time reviewing their card readers, and this thing is awesome. I'm a little old school, so I do have multiple different kinds of cards, kind that used to go in DSLRs and stuff. Do we even use those anymore? Well, I do. Part of your security systems use these little cards too. So I want to give a huge shout out to Lano for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye!